Welcome to another video walk around here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we'll be taking a look at this 2020 Toyota Highlander with some great exterior features that include roof rails, 18-inch wheels, along with 3M film protection on the hood and front fenders. Entering the vehicle, we have our key with our lock and unlock. Taking a first look inside, we have black Softex interior. This Highlander also comes equipped with a power moonroof, power seat adjustments, and all-weather floor mats. Taking a seat in the vehicle and looking at the steering wheel, on the left side here we have our audio and phone controls. On the right you've got Toyota Safety Sense and your cruise. This Highlander has 50,000 kilometers. Over in the middle on your touchscreen you have your AM/FM radio, Bluetooth phone connection, along with some vehicle information and a backup camera. Right below that you have your heated seat buttons, followed by your dual zone climate controls up front. Down at the very bottom here you have all of your outlet choices, and behind our gear shifter you have alternate drive and terrain modes which show up on the dash screen. Taking a look at the second row seats, we've got two fold-out cup holders, along with your third set of climate controls and two outlets on the back of the center console. We also have storage pouches in each of the seat backs, and for access to the third row, all you have to do is lift up on this tab here, and the seat will fold and slide forward. This Highlander comes equipped with a power liftgate. Once that's open, you can see we have a ton of storage space with the third row seats folded up, but if you're hauling larger items or just need the extra room, the third row easily folds down. To close the liftgate, you could use the button on your key fob again, but there's also an additional button on the top of the liftgate itself. Thank you for watching our video walk around on this 2020 Toyota Highlander with some great interior features that include heated seats, tri-zone climate controls, along with alternate drive and terrain modes. We are located at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.